Hi, my name is Drew Neerman, and you're watching Data Unleashed, the video blog series dedicated to helping you get more out of your investment in Salesforce. How do you currently version or deploy metadata? Do you use changesets, or maybe you just manually rebuild something that you had in Org A over Org B because it's faster and easier than trying to find a ISV partner to partner with or something like that? What if you had a way to automatically detect and replicate changes to your Salesforce metadata down into a local SQL environment that's behind your firewall, where you can get at that metadata, analyze it, deploy it, compare it, that type of thing? There is a way to do this today. And not only does it allow you to replicate changes to metadata down to your local environment, but it automatically detects those changes and versions a metadata history for you so that you can go back in time to identify specific subsets of metadata that you may want to deploy from Org A to Org B. It could be from prod 1 to prod 2, sandbox 1 to 2 to 3, eventually up into pre-prod to prod. But the main idea is it captures all changes to metadata, versions them in your database, giving you the ability to granularly go back in time and deploy the entire metadata object or even just subcomponents of it. If this is something that would be interesting or useful to you for DevOps, for org migrations, org mergers, or splits, please drop me a note on LinkedIn. I'd be more than happy to share some resources or even to connect you to an engineer that could talk to you about how this works. And as always, thank you so much for watching Data Unleashed. My name is Drew Neerman. Have a good day.